Hi everyone, this is Market Formula. I welcome you to the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. In this video, we'll be looking at the whole share index of the Nigerian stock market, and we also consider 5 stocks that I'm looking at as a good buy for the week 1, August 2023. So let's just quickly analyze the chart of the all share index of the Nigerian stock market. Currently, the all share index is at 64,337 basis points. So, since our last video, okay, the market was here. Our last video, you can refer to the video for more details. And I was looking at this top of this channel. That's okay. Let's see when the market gets here. We'll see what the market is going to do. Either the market is going to bounce off it. There's a possibility that it might bounce off it this way, or it might break it through. And this is a break. I just draw this as a break like this, but in the real world, anytime market wants to break, it will actually go through, pull back, and make a support. Price moves like it's climbing a step. So it's going to break through, come back for a retest, and go up. That's the way it will move ordinarily. So looking at this now, from the look of things, this is more like a bounce than a break. Why? Let's analyze the candles that we have there. So this is the current candle. This is this week candle. This is last week candle. This is the previous week candle. Let's start from this candle here. This is a pin bar. This is a price rejection at the top of the channel. So market went through it and immediately got rejected. That's one. The second candle is a strong bull. It came up and filled almost 80% of this candle. So if you combine these two candles together, it's a bullish candle. So let's now look at the next candle. The next candle is a doji. Anytime you see this is a spinning top, is a small candle body, but it has a rejection at the top. There's a rejection at the top of it. So telling you that this is a spinning top, and every time you see a spinning top is market indecision. So at a resistance, market find a push, a rejection at a resistance, and also found a spinning top at the resistance. A spinning top is like an indecision candle. Market doesn't know, should I go higher or bounce? So when this forms, we are waiting for another candle. That candle is a confirmation of what the market wants to do. So when this candle finish forming this week, this candle is forming, so this is this week's candle. So if this candle should end up and become a red candle, a bearish candle, the market is a bounce. So there is high probability that the market is going to bounce and come and find support at the midpoint of the channel, or can also come and find support at this previous resistance. So to form a pattern called a break and retest, this is a resistance, got broken and came back for a retest for a step. I told you market moves like it's moving in swing, and it's moving swinging like a step, like it's climbing a step. So if it's going higher, it continue to swing higher. If it's coming lower, it continue to swing lower. That's how we mark trend. So to me, the market looks more like a bounce than a break at this level. But we need this week for confirmation. So I think that will be all for the hot share index. Let's just look at 5 stocks that you can still buy this week. A lot of stocks are on for sale this week. If you look, when I was looking at the chart, I saw that a lot of stocks are already overbought. People are taking profit, and anytime people are taking profit, you expect that the price will come lower for a fresh entry. But we need to wait until the market finds support. When market finds support, then we can now say, okay, let's pick buy entry. But currently, the market is in an uptrend. The momentum is still intact, but price is at a resistance, and the market is forming a rejection at the top of the channel. Let's look at Regency Alliance. Regency Alliance, I found the chart is interesting that we should look at. So for Regency Alliance, we can see that the market is in a range. This channel is a slightly down channel, a slight down channel, but price is currently at the midpoint of the channel. Looking at the momentum, I see that the momentum looks fading, but this momentum is still intact. When we look at the candlestick, we have more bullish candlestick than a bearish candlestick. We only have one bearish candlestick. And when you look at these candles, they have rejection, telling you that price is trying to reject this level and telling that this price is too low. So this is a very good price for you to enter into this stock. You can get it at 36 kobo this week. Hopefully it will go back to test the top of this channel. Hopefully, looking at Regency Alliance. So let's look at another stock, UACN. So for UACN, you can also see that this down channel is already broken. What do I mean that the channel is broken? When anytime you see that price close above the channel and is finding support, it doesn't want to go lower. So let me now extend this channel. What I like to do, I want to extend this channel and see where the price is currently. So the price is already hitting the top of this channel extension. That's why you are seeing this rejection at this level. So if you can take this stock at, let's say, 9 naira 15 kobo, 9 naira 15 kobo, 9 naira 55 kobo, this zone, I think is good. I was looking at the candlestick. The candlestick looks more bullish than it's bearish, and we are on a support. The momentum is intact. But what you need to wait for, the confirmation we are waiting for in this stock is that this channel, this place has to give way. So we need price to trade somewhere higher and go like this. But at times when we want to wait for the market to do this, it might be late. You can just see that this price will just jump up. So if you can pick it at this level, I think it's a good buy for this week. That is for UACN at 9 naira 15 kobo. Then let's look at Royal Exchange. For Royal Exchange, for Royal Exchange, the reason why I picked this stock is that is at the low of the channel. It's still at the low of this channel. So let me check to see what is happening. Okay, price is at the midpoint of the channel. So if you want to wait for it to cross above this channel, fine. Or another confirmation that you can wait for, you want to wait for the momentum to cross above zero line. But at times before it comes above zero line, it might be late. But if you can take the risk, if you get the stock at around 48 kobo, I think it's good, because I know there is high probability that this stock is still going back for a retest of this level. There's high probability that it's going for a retest of that level. So you can get profit at, you can come out at 129 kobo. That is for Royal Exchange. And we also have Union Bank. Let's look at Union Bank. For Union Bank, okay, what happened in Union Bank is that price is also in a channel. Price is in a channel, and it has broken the midpoint of the channel. Okay, this is the midpoint of the channel, but the rejection was too strong. A rejection back to the to this trend, this momentum, this moving average trend indicator. So if you get it at, let's see, 6 naira 30 kobo, it's good, because I still believe that if market is able to find support at this level, which looks more like it, because we have a strong bull here, have an indecision candle also following, then if you get it around here, it might take some time, because this momentum, this candle is big. This is a strong rejection. It might take some time before it will pick up, but if you can hold it, I think it's also a good buy for this week. Let's look at universal insurance. For universal insurance, okay, for universal insurance, I don't think I would really want to recommend this stock because it looks more like a range. I don't know how long it will take for it to pick up, because this is it's more like a range. It might take some time before it will pick up. Let's leave this out. Let's leave this out. So we'll take another one, Vital Foam. For Vital Foam, okay, for Vital Foam, I see that this strong price action, markets moved almost like vertically, like this. So if you understand your pattern, this is a bull flag. Whatever caused this market to move this level and is now forming consolidation, by the time it breaks this channel, which is here, and it has broken it, it's finding support here. So if you can find this support here, the first profit target is the height of this channel. So that's why I drew this channel like this back here, that if market has already broken this level. So I think this stock is very good for you to enter this week. You can get it at 19 naira 50 kobo, thereabout. Then your first profit target should be at maybe 23 naira 60 kobo. And if there is a break of that level, then you can extend more for higher profit. I think all right. So that will be all for this video. This is where we wrap it up for the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market this week. I wish you all a very successful trading week and a happy new month.